Get a copy of this newsletter. Give it up for the band. Give it up for the camp leaders.
Well, I never filmed at a protest before, you know, so.
We got a band, it's fun.
Huh?
We got a band, it's fun.
Oh, okay.
You got one of these?
I don't need none, thank you. Well, because my hands is full, actually.
I understand.
All right.
We'll be back, man.
All right. Yeah. I never filmed at a protest before. Say boycott Amazon. I should have got one. Huh? Huh? Oh, no, thank you. Sorry about that. I should have gotten one though. You know what? This was an unexpected protest. You know. Sorry about that, y'all. This is very unexpected right now. I never had a protest on a Dominoes 7 show before. Okay, so anyway, this is very unexpected though. Okay, so anyway, I don't know what made me do this, but I'm doing it. Okay, so they boycotting Amazon and stuff like that. What do we want? This or that? When do we want it now? You know, so. That video that was posted years ago with a protest in Columbia Park, that was an old video. I didn't film it, so I'm not gonna say who filmed it. Okay, so anyway, that was very unexpected right there. You know, so I filmed it. If I didn't, I didn't. You know, on the recording, on a live stream. Okay, so this is a short one. Okay, so thank y'all for watching this. Okay, bye.